There is a debate in our home on how much laundry detergent to use. For our normal load of towels and bath mats, some say we only need to use this much, which is bar 3 for large loads. Others say that 3 times as much is needed, which is above bar 5 for full loads. Who's right? Let's experiment. First, for ultra concentrated Tide from Costco, what is the difference between a large and full load? I checked out Tide's website and found their load size chart. By weight, a large load is about 11 pounds and a full load is about 21 pounds. Let's weigh this load of towels and bath mats. First, I'll weigh myself with an empty laundry basket. 181 pounds. That's a heavy laundry basket. Next, I'll weigh myself with the full laundry basket. 193 pounds. A difference of 12 pounds. Close enough to an 11-pound large load. And the Tide instructions recommend bar 3. Now a dirt test. Let's use 2 brand new microfiber cloths, 1 in each load test. In this corner, where the seam ends and overlaps, we'll rub in this pinch of dirt. And toss it into the washer with the load of towels and bath mats. Test 1 will be with bar 5 or a greater amount of laundry detergent. The load is washed in the towel cycle. And the results. Here is the corner where the seam ends and overlaps. Looks clean, no sign of dirt. And the microfiber cloth has a slight scent of the laundry detergent. The following weekend, we repeat the test. Find the corner where the seam ends and overlaps, and rub in a pinch of dirt. Test 2 would be with bar 3 or the lesser amount of laundry detergent. Again, the load is washed in the towel cycle. And the result? Here is the corner where the seam ends and overlaps. Again, looks clean, no sign of dirt. And the microfiber cloth has a slight scent of the laundry detergent. So the lesser bar 3 amount of laundry detergent removed the rubbed in dirt just as well as the greater bar 5 amount of laundry detergent. The amount of suds in each wash cycle was about the same. And just in case you were wondering on the amount of detergent left in the loads, I rinsed the small towels in a gallon container after each wash, and there was no difference. The rinse cycles did a good job each time.